Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video lecture, I will explain you modeling of G+9 4 buildings with horizontal connected between these respected buildings. So initially I will show you the model for this respected house. So go to Staad Pro software. So this is my model for this respected G+9 building, which is consisting of horizontal connections between these respected 4 houses like this. So I was connected this respected horizontal connection in 8th story. So I will assume 8th story for this respected house. So I will show you the modeling of this respected building by using Staad Pro software now. So for that, go to Staad Pro software initially, click on Staad Pro software. The software will be open like this. So initially click on new project here, click on spacing option here, give the structure name. Just I am assuming the structure name is 100. Save your file location here. Just I am saving my file location to the G+9, click on OK. So here we need to select the length units will be in meter as well as force units will be in kilonewton. Click on next button, click on finish button. The software will be open like this. So it will be consisting of 10 number of grids in x direction, 10 number of grids in y direction. So initially we need to model this respected G+9 story building. So initially I will model the one building for this respected house. So after that I will copy the respected first building to the remaining 3 buildings. So for that initially go to geometry here, click on structure wizard option here. So here we need to select the model type. Just I am taking it as frame models here. So in that frame models we need to assume the bay frame models here. So initially I will take the ground story for this respected single building. So just I am taking the length of the building is 18 meter. Again I am taking height is 3 here. Again I am taking width is 18 here. So after that we need to assume number of bays along length direction, height direction, width direction. So just I am taking it as 6. Again I am taking it as 1 in height direction. Again I am taking it as 6 in width direction. Click on apply button. So this is my ground story model for this respected house. So I will import this respected model from structure wizard option to Staad Pro software. So further click on cancel here, click on S button. So click on OK. The model is directly imported to this respected Staad Pro software. So after that we need to hide this respected grid lines. Click on hide snap node grid. So keep the structure in isometric view here. So this is my single ground story for the single building. So after that we need to create the irregular shape for this respected ground story. So initially we need to select the node cursor here. Just I am selecting this respected center node point. Click on copy option. Click on paste nodes. So here we need to assume the x direction distance. Just I am taking it as 3.5 here. Click on OK. So it will create the node point like this. Again I am selecting this respected node point. Click on copy option. So here we need to click on paste nodes option in minus 3.5 direction. So just I am taking it as minus 3.5 value. Click on OK. So after that again I am selecting center point here. Click on copy option. Click on paste nodes in z direction. Just I am taking it as 3.5 here. Click on OK. So it will create the node point at this respected distance of 3.5. So again select this respected node. Click on copy again. Again click on paste nodes again. Again I am selecting z direction here, which is of minus 3.5 value. Click on OK. So after that we need to keep the structure in top view. So select your node cursor here. Just I am selecting all the node points here for this respected ground story. Select isometric view. Click on copy here. Click on paste nodes here. So we need to copy this respected for ground story slab to the base for this respected house. So just I am taking the y direction value is minus 3 here. So it will create the node points at the base. So after that we need to connect these respected node points with the column. So for that select the node points here. Just I am selecting bottom nodes. Go to geometry here. Connect the beams along y-axis. So it will create 4 number of columns for this respected structure. Now we need to connect these respected node points with the help of the beam command. So select add beam command here. Select the first point here. Select the second point. So again select this first point, second point. Again select starting point. Next I am selecting second point. In the same way we need to add the beams for the respected remaining building. first point, second point, select first point, second point. So after that we need to connect these respected beams in vertical direction as well as horizontal direction. So select your beam command, add beam command, select the first point, select the second point, again select your first point, again select your second point, select the first point, select the second point. In the same way we need to connect at the right hand side section also. So after that we need to add the slab section for this respected ground story. So initially we need to select the add 4 node plate option here, select the first point, select the second point, select the third point, again select your fourth point. So after that select the plate cursor here, select this respected plate, go to transitional repeat in X direction. So here we need to enter the number of steps. Just I am assuming number of steps will be consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Next I am assuming steps will be 5 and each step will be consisting of 3 meter. Click on OK. So it will create the plates for this respected section in this direction. So after that we need to copy these respected plates in Z direction also. So for that initially we need to select all the plates, go to transitional, again in Z direction. Just I am assuming number of steps will be of 5 and each step will be consisting of 3. Click on OK. So it will create the plates for this respective section like this. So after that we need to create the slab section for this irregularity shape. Select add 4 node plate, select first point, select second point, select third point, again select your fourth point. In the similar way we need to add the 4 node plate for this respected model. Next I am selecting first point, second point, third point, again select your fourth point. Select your first point, select second point, select third point, again select your fourth point. So after that we need to copy the ground story to the remaining 8 stories for this respected single building. So for that we need to select all the buildings by using Ctrl A option, go to transitional repeat option in Y direction. So here we need to enter the number of steps. Just I am assuming it as 8 and each step will be consisting of 3 meter. Click on OK. So it will create the 8-story house for this respected building. So after that we need to select this respected plate cursor option, select all the plates at the base, go to transitional repeat in Y direction. Again I am selecting number of steps will be of 8 and each step will be consisting of 3 meter. Click on OK. So it will create this respective single G+9 building for this respected house. So I will show you the model in rendering view for this respective single structure. Click on rendering view option. So this is my rendering view for this respected single structure. So we need to create 4 more buildings for this respected single structure. So for that initially we need to copy this respected model. So further select all the beams, go to transitional repeat option in X direction. Number of steps will be 1 and default step spacing is 30. Just I am assuming. So click on OK option. So it will create 1 more building for this respected section. Now we need to select the plate cursor. Again select all the plates, transitional repeat in X direction and distance will be of 30 here. Click on OK. So it will create the plates like this. Again I am selecting beams by using Ctrl A option, go to transitional repeat option, Z direction. Just I am assuming number of steps will be 1 and just I am assuming spacing will be of 30 here. Click on OK. So it will create 2 more buildings. So we need to copy the slabs to the remaining 2 more buildings. So select this respective plate cursor, Ctrl A option, go to transitional repeat, Z direction. Just I am assuming spacing will be of 30 here. Click on OK. So it will create this respected slab for this respected section also. So after creating this model, I will show you this model in rendering view. Click on rendering view option here. So it will create the rendering model for this respected 4 buildings. So this is my 4 buildings of G+9 stories. So we need to connect these respected buildings with the help of horizontal connection for communicating between the buildings. So for that select modeling option here, select front view option. So I will connect the horizontal connection in 8th story. So select your cut section command, click on selective view, click on OK. So here we need to cut this respected 8th story for this respected house. Again select in top view. So here we need to connect this respected horizontal connection with the help of the beams. Select add beam command for that. So select first point here, select second point here, again select first point, again select second point. In the similar way we need to connect in vertical direction. Next I am connecting in vertical direction. Select this first point, again select this second point, select the first point here, again select the second point, again select first point, second point. So after that we need to add the slab section for this horizontal connection also. So for that, select generate surface meshing option, select the first point here, select the second point here, select the third point, select fourth point, select the next point, again select your starting point. So it will create horizontal connection slab like this. So select your first point for remaining slab section. This time selecting second point, third point, fourth point, again select your fifth point, again starting point, click on OK. Again select your starting point, first point, second, third, fourth. So here we need to save the model initially. So select the next point, again I'm selecting next point, again come to your first point, click on OK. So after that we need to create one more horizontal connection. Select the first point here, select the second point, select third here, again select next point, next point, next point, again come to first point. So it will connect the horizontal connection like this for this respected building. So click on host structure command here, again select the rendering view. So this is the complete rendering view for this G+9 buildings with the horizontal connection. So horizontal connection was connected at 8th story for these respected buildings. Now we have to add the geometry for these respected buildings. So initially we need to define the beam size, column size and slat thickness for these respected buildings. So initially I will assume different cross sections for different stories. So I will take 0.5 cross 0.5 for column size of 1 to 3 stories and 0.4 cross 0.4 for column size of 4 to 6 stories. So after that I will take 0.3 cross 0.3 column size for the remaining 3 stories. In the similar way I will take beam size of 0.5 cross 0.23 for bottom to 3 stories. So I will take 0.4 cross 0.23 for the 4th story to 6th story. So I will take 0.3 cross 0.23 for the remaining 3 stories. So after that I will take the slab section in the similar way. This time I will assume 0.15 is the slab section for first 3. So after that I will take 0.125, nothing but 125 mm for the top 3 stories. So for that initially we need to create the geometry section. So click on define option here, select the rectangular shape. So here we need to assume the beam size. So here we need to assume the column size. Just I am assuming it as 0.5 cross 0.5 for the first column. So after that we need to add one more column which is consisting of 0.4 cross 0.4. So again I am taking 0.3 cross 0.3 for the third column, click on add button. So after that we need to add the beam sections. So just I am taking it as 0.5 cross 0.23, click on add button. So again I am selecting 0.4 cross 0.23 second section, again I am taking 0.3 cross 0.23 third section. So after that click on close option. Now we need to create the slab thickness for these respected models. Click on thickness option here, select the thickness 150 mm, click on add button. Again I am selecting it as 125 mm, click on add button. So we need to add 120 mm for the remaining 3 slabs, click on close option. So select this respected 0.5 by 0.5 column section. We need to apply this respected 0.5 by 0.5 for bottom 3 stories. So for that case we need to select the front view option here, click on cut section command, click on selective view option, click on OK. So here we need to cut the bottom 3 stories for this house. So go to select option here, beams parallel to y direction. So here we need to select the y direction beams. So click on assign to selected beams option, assign yes. So after that select 0.5 by 0.23, select in front view option. We need to select all the beam sections for this respected bottom 3 stories. Next I am selecting these 3 beam sections. Click on assign to selected beams, assign yes. So after that select whole structure command here, select in front view option. So after that we need to assign the 0.15 plate thickness for the bottom 3 stories. Select this plate thickness. So here we need to select the plate cursor option. So we need to select 3 plates for the bottom 3 stories. Click on assign to selected plates, assign yes. So after that we need to assign 0.4 cross 0.4 for the respected 4th story to 6th story. So for that select front view option, cut section command, select to view again, click on OK. So select the beam cursor here. Yes, we need to cut the 3 stories for the respected middle structure. So select in 3D view. Now we need to select the beams parallel to y direction. Click on assign to selected beams, assign yes. So after that select 0.4 by 0.23. Select in front view option. Now we need to select all the beams in this direction. Just I am selecting all the beam sections here. So again select the third beam. So click on assign to selected beams, assign, yes. So after that we need to select the second plate thickness. So we need to select the plate thickness option. We need to select all the plates, assign to selected plates, assign, yes. So after that we need to assign the 0.3 by 0.3 for the remaining 3 stories. So initially we need to click on whole structure command, select in front view option, select cut section command, click on selective view option, click on OK, select the beam command here. Just we need to cut the top 3 stories for this respective structure. So we need to assign this respective 0.3 by 0.3 for the column sections here. Go to select beams parallel to y direction, click on assign to selected beams, assign, yes. So after that we need to select the beams. So for that select 0.3 by 0.23. So initially we need to select the top beams. Again I'm selecting second story beams. So again select this respected bottom 3 story beams, click on assign to selected beams, assign, yes. So after that select the plate thickness option, last plate thickness, select the plate cursor, assign to the respective top 3 plates, click on assign to selected plates, assign, yes. So after that click on whole structure command here. Now we need to click on modeling option here. We need to see this respective whole model in rendering view now. Click on rendering view option. So it will load the rendering view for this respective building like this. So this is my rendering view for the G+9 story buildings with horizontal connection. So this is the modeling process for this respected G+9 story building. So in my upcoming video, I will explain you analysis part as well as design part for this respected structure. Thank you.